It's a little steamy. Want to fit it? All right. Now you can hold it. You can hold it.
Yeah, it gets a little hot. Okay, now I want you to head over to your water heater, and then I want you to continue on with your system. Flux that heat. Get some flux on there. It won't solder.
Can't you use the
You can't put your dick in. It's the flux. You can't.
Can't you use the thing that closes the pipe around it though? What's that? The machine that they use to close the pipe around it?
That's a
Yeah,
press.
it's like a crimper, like, and it closes the pipe around it.
That's a different process.
That's the process.
This is soldering. That's pressing.
That's
You
pressing.
got longer
Hey,
pipes
Don.
too.
What is it called when you press the pipe? The new process?
If you just press
Pro
it with
press.
the thing.
Pro press.
Could you do that instead of this?
Yes.
Yeah. Would it be easier?
When you're in the pro press, it's I'm in a high rise. All the pipes for the building are overhead. I got 9 floors of water coming down on this pipe right here, and I got to solder that fitting. It ain't never gonna happen, is it?
Nah,
There's
so you
pro
gotta
press.
Oh,
There's your
all
pro press. Other than that, this is 20 times cheaper than pro press.
Watch your back. Watch out.
Go ahead.
Yeah, one of those machines is like 2-3 bands
3 bands for that?
at least.
Roll it. You way go roll it.
There you go, fellas.
Little weight. My so man.
Remember, there's PEX.
Yeah, sanded this one already?
Pro press. There's
You gotta oil
CPVC.
him up first. You gotta oil him up.
Wait, nah, that goes on after,
We
don't it?
doing this side right here first.
Yeah. Okay, now that was our water line coming into the house. Now we're gonna head over to the water heater.
So you sand it first.
T, go ahead. No, go right ahead. You're gonna solder that whole thing.
Oh, so you put that on first?
Okay. Go work, T.
All right. I think that gonna last, bro.
What does?
This white.
The loop. What you call it?
Flux.
Flux.
And without it, the solder won't go anywhere. It'll just walk
It's
off
glue.
the pipe.
So you put it on. No, it won't last though, right?
And I put it on now before I put it in, right?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
all right.
Yep. There you go. There you go. A little dab will do you. You don't need a crap load. You can use, but see, the more you put on there, the more that solder is going to run all over the place, and the flux is going to run all down your pipe.
Oh,
So
right.
less is best.
Oh.
Yep, twist it on in there. There you go.
Then you wipe it down.
Okay, now you're heading to the heater. Now let's get out of that room and head on out the line. Give me that other copper and that other end. Now we're going to continue on. Now we're heading over the heater. Now let's head out to the bathroom. Clean it up. There you go. Right. You've got new pipe. So you're clean right now. You're clean. That's it. That's it.
Oh, that's it.
Are we gonna do any
We're
PVC
working by the
today?
piece. Not working by the hour.
Are we gonna do any PVC
You know what
today?
I'm saying, bud?
Good. We're right
Yeah,
up.
yeah. Just right around her. Beautiful, beautiful.
That's all I need.
She's nice and wet, so slide her on in. Okay, so now we can hang that off the edge of this table since we're on this situation. Okay, let's give a little weight on there right there. Okay, here's your torch. Here's your facade. Back up. Or pop it. Hold that down. Now you're there.
Fire and hold, fellas.
Let's see, now here, I'm going to show you another thing. Right now, you ready? That right there is the hottest point of that torch. Okay? The very end of that blue. Not out here, not over here. Right there. You see where I hold it? Right where that edge is at. I'm getting the maximum heat on that fitting right now, okay? There you go, try it again.
Watch out for that
Beautiful.
drip.
Beautiful. Right on the upper close this one. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Yeah, you gotta wait a little longer. You'll know when this starts changing color on you. See it starting to change color a little bit. A little bit longer. A little longer. Now tap it. See what you got. Now you're ready. Up on top and let it come to it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Alright, now go to the next fitting. Keep that torch going. Do all your fittings in one step.
Pull them all out.
telah dekat. Alright. Back on this belly.
There. Remember,
I need to pull out some copper.
okay.
Yeah.
Remember, when you once you got that first fitting going, go ahead. See how I laid that out and gave you a curve?
Fire the hose, man. It's easy.
Once you got the first fitting, you know your next fittings aren't going to take as long now. Okay,
So-
you should be ready.
You can just let it drip around the bottom.
There you go. Yeah, see, yep, because you see it drop out, he's
Yeah.
full. That was enough? Yep. Watch him now again. Hit it, you're ready. Keep it going, more. Yep, that's it, you're in. Okay, so now you're gonna do what? You're gonna take this and we're gonna wrap around it.
And then hit it with the rag.
That'll take 2,000 pounds before it ever leaks. Don't touch that
Be
thing.
easy. All this. Oh, that's all. That's it.
I got it. I'm on it.
Okay?
He's smoking. He's saying he's smoking. He's trying to get the word.
You know how many degrees are in that?
All right.
You know how many degrees are in it? Now let me tell you something. What Dean does for a living, we can solder. Plumbers solder galvanized all day long. Okay? We got to solder heater pans. We solder galvanized. Solder will adhere together. You can solder that table if you want.
So wait, soldering is the
Yeah.
process of
What we just did right now. we
merging
just
together
soldered.
the metal. That's what they call it. When you merge it.
You're not really, you're not, there's no fusion involved.
No.
When you weld something, you're actually fusing the base metal, the base metal with filling material. When you're soldering, I don't know how to do it.
It's like you putting them
Filling the
together.
gap on the joint, but you're just
Yeah,
really
okay.
just soldering, you know.
So
It's
that
not because,
process.
it's not because it's gonna be under stress, it's because it's gonna be fluid.
So I got
So what's the purpose? What was that? What is this copper doing right here? Is it sealing it? Or it was dripping it?
No, it's
what's
putting it
dripping
together. Okay, you want to
That's
see it?
what's
I'll show you.
sealing.
Watch. Let me go get a rag real quick.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna take it apart. I'm gonna show you.
Oh, okay. Take it apart.
Yep. Watch.
I ain't think that was coming apart.
Yeah, it'll come apart. Okay, give me
You do a
that.
good job.
It's hot. Never wet.
Oh no, I'm at the rack.
She's usually hot. She's wet. We're
Right.
okay. Hold on.
You got to heat it up. Put it out too?
Yep. Yeah, because it's welded together.
So when you heat up the welded product, it unwelded?
Yeah.
Like if the product is been welded, then you heat it up.
Watch it. Come over here and watch the solder flow.
If it's been soldered,
Watch
you
the
can
solder flow
unsolder it.
again.
Like you do that too?
See it flowing? See it flowing? There comes my joint. Okay? Take it a little bit more. I mean, once you put something together, you don't want to ever have to go through this. I was just trying to show you that how the solder went right on in that pipe.
Yeah, smoke inhalation.
I can't get
All
it.
type of second hand.
A lot of. I don't have channel locks or nothing, but I want see how the